right, so we're gonna open up B and B. All right, this is gonna go into the system, B and B. I have a splitter here that meets it, goes down. They do provide one, but this is my own. I bought one. Goes in there to the pump. Let's see, let's walk them some water in here, make sure there's no leaks. So we're gonna go ahead and unlock this one first. There goes one water there. Try the other one here. We got water in here in both of them. All right, we're gonna unlock this, unlock it this way. There goes all the water going through there. So we unlock this one. We're able to go in there. We're gonna feed it some water right now in a bit and then plug it in. All right, I was able to zip tie it here and it's open. Both valves are coming in. We got our pump going. It's working well. See that? Now for emergencies, I had a leak right now. If you guys can see, I'm gonna unlock it so you guys can see the leak. All right, see that? The leak's coming out. So I don't have to put caps on these. I don't have to put caps. I could just lock it here and the water stops draining there. So make it convenient for you guys. You guys can see that. Like that option. So you have a lock here. You can always unlock it. Lock it, unlock it. Look at that. And then lock it in. Lock it all the way. Look at that. Water stops. It prevents it from draining more than what it is. So very convenient to have this, easy to install. Hope you guys enjoy the video. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful, and I hope you hit the like and subscribe.